We are pleased to show you the 2000 Chevrolet Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, power door locks, security system, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, power windows, fog lamps, passenger airbag. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.